Now in front of the judge, and that you are.
So Jones, what time does court start?
What was that, sir?
What time does court start?
It starts at, I believe, at 8:30's on Your Honor. I deal with the mental MHMR.
Try to get here on time.
I will.
Not only that, this is now your second PR bond.
Yes, sir.
If you
Obviously.
fail to appear one more time, it's not going to go well for you. Do you understand? We don't continue to give PR bond after PR bond after PR bond after PR bond. We don't do that.
Absolutely.
You're charged with theft,
Yes, sir.
facing up to a year in jail and or a $4,000 fine. We're going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present. If you cannot afford one will be appointed to you, sir.
Absolutely.
On February 11th, 2025, at approximately 4:48 p.m., an officer met with the complainant, who is the supervisor for a roofing company. The complainant stated the defendant is a friend and had been working with the company for about a week. The complainant stated that on February 11th at 8 a.m., the defendant was supposed to be at a job but never showed. The complainant called the defendant, and the defendant stated he was at the hospital but would not give the complainant the location of where he was at currently. The defendant eventually met up with the complainant to give him the keys to the company vehicle, and the defendant's employment was terminated. The complainant pulled over and did an inventory search of the vehicle and noticed tools and equipment went missing. The complainant called the defendant and asked where the tools and equipment were, and the defendant stated he removed them so his girlfriend would not take them. The complainant called the defendant multiple times to get the tools, but the defendant blocked his calls and did not answer. The total value stolen was $2,000. The complainant stated 6 hours passed attempting to contact the defendant, and the officer tried to contact the defendant, and the defendant did not answer. The officer ran the defendant's information given by the complainant, and the complainant positively identified him by a photograph.
Mr. Jones, I'm going to find that there's probable cause to go forward with your case. I'm ordering you as a condition of your bond not to have any contact with the complaining witness in this case and not to be in possession of weapons. Do you understand?
I do not, because I don't know who the witness is. What is their name?
Person that you were working for at the construction company that gave you the car.
What was their name, Honor, please?
Tristan Weathers.
Tristan Weathers. Well, on my paperwork, it says Tristan Sanders. I don't know who Tristan Sanders is. So Tristan Weathers and Tristan Sanders are two different people.
I'll file under bond conditions as Tristan Weathers. I'm not sure. I can look. See if
Sure.
there's already.
I was on the paper.
Okay, now you're
Paperwork.
blocked, sir.
Yes, sir. This is paperwork. Say his name
And
on
the
it.
judge requests, nothing comes out.
It does say Tristan Sanders on the,
It says Tristan Weather here on the complaint.
okay, yes, and I believe that is his name, but on the bond conditions, it's stated as Tristan Sanders.
I don't want you to have contact with this person. Do you understand?
Tristan Sanders, Your Honor, or Tristan Weathers?
Weathers.
It said Tristan Sanders on the thing, so I'm
I'm
confused.
telling you now, I don't want you to have contact with the complaining witness in this case, whoever it may be.
No problem. He's on parole for 60 years. I don't even want to go around the guy. Yes, sir. But on the paperwork, it says Tristan Sanders, and they have that property. But my lawyer, Val Zubini, is going to talk to you or talk to you, represent me. It's just so much stuff, and I'm dealing with. I suffer PTSD and PTSD, and I'm hyper. So I'm just trying to take in all the emotions. I'm not mad at you, Your Honor. I apologize for being late to court. I was in the Navy and I've been to the penitentiary. So I duly apologize.
Relax.
Yes, sir.
No one's going to do anything to you here.
Yes, sir.
The only thing I want is I want my city protected.
Yes,
And
sir.
I'm going to do everything in my power to protect it. I want you to understand that. Do not pick up any new cases.
Yes, sir.
Be nice to everybody that you go around.
Absolutely.
Because if you're not, it's probably not going to go well. Exercise patience
Absolutely.
and things will go well for you.
Absolutely. It has. Thank you.
Do you have the ability to hire a lawyer, or would you like to apply for a court-appointed lawyer?
As of right now, you can give me a court appointed, but I'm going to hire Val again. But Val, I just due to the simple fact I'm trying to get protective order. That's why I was late last time because my
Please just don't talk. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say, they're going to use it against you. So it's best not.
That's
I'll
cool.
provide you a lawyer today.
It's true.
Tell everything that you want to say to the lawyer, and then they can come and talk to me if they need.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay? Just don't miss any court dates
Yes, Your Honor.
and stay in contact with the lawyer that we give you.
I have a question. So the last time I came, I was trying, my fiance.
You haven't come here.
Yeah,
It was the first time that you come here.
Correct. I'm incorrect. I came the last time at 12:30 because my ex fiance had my cell phone. I talked to one of the ladies in the back, and I talked to her.
Hold on, Mr. Jones. I don't want you to say anything else. Let me give you a lawyer.
This is my second. I don't want you to know this is my second time coming. I came to court. I just came late.
It's not a big deal.
Yeah, I know.
Let me give you a lawyer. Just hang tight for me, be patient, and then we'll find you someone, okay?
No problem. Thank you, sir.
Don't leave until you sign our bond conditions.
I'm not going anywhere, sir.
Thanks.
Good for me.
Not yet. We need them to file. Oh, I already have it. I got it.
I talked to you last time.
Right here.
This is what I talked to right here.
We just need you to sign a reset real quick.
Yes, I was gonna reset it so I can look at everything. That's all.
I don't know about waiving it though.
No, that's fine.
How old is this case? You know, it's the case that we just had on Mr. Jones.
Okay. The new theft is from February 11th, 2025.
The new, how many cases?
Sorry, I thought that you had multiple. No, the theft is from February 11th.
Mr. Jones, come up. I'll waive it. I thought it was old. It's not an old.
It's up to you. I don't care one way or the other. Whatever you want to do, Jeff. Wants to be here.
So, Mr. Jones,
Yes, sir.
I've given you a lawyer.
Thank
Okay,
you.
so I usually waive people's appearances, meaning that you don't have to waste your time coming to court, but you have to stay in touch with him. If he tells me he can't get a hold of you because you're not answering his phone calls or text messages, I'm going to issue a warrant. All I'm asking you to do, don't get in trouble and stay in contact with him. That's literally all I'm asking you to do. Don't get in any trouble.
Yes, sir.
You understand?
Yes, sir.
All right, we're good. He can't leave yet because he has to sign bond conditions. As
Okay.
soon as he signs it, then we'll let you go. Okay, they're creating bond conditions. So you promise us that you're going to behave. We'll have you sign it, and then after that, you'll be free to
I'm
go.
not a better version, Your Honor. It's just looking at that paper. I changed my life.
I got you, man. We'll trust you.
I've been
While you're out and about with us now,
doing a lot for the community.
just stay in contact with him.
I'll
Okay?
give you my number once we're done, okay?
Can I tell you something though? I actually was on the news last year with Kim All Judge Nimmy. They did a story on me in Channel 2 News. I was on the news. They used my story for the company I work for change for mental health.
That's great.
And I was on the story for Kim All and Judge Nimmy and Carnival. So I've made a bunch of changes. This is a mistake, and I just get so emotional with something. But I apologize.
Don't, because remember, they can use anything that you say.
I got you.
Just,
I got you. No problem.
Let me look at everything.
No problem.
We'll figure everything out, okay?
Thank you.
Okay.
Judge.
all right, so take a seat, but don't leave until we let you go.
All right, have a seat.
Thank you, Mr. Jones.
Okay, and then I got one more judge. This is gonna be Vanessa Gonzalez. They're still trying to get a RIP call done, so there's not a RIP done yet. So it's gonna reset that. It's 189 days old, that's why.
I mean, how long? We're now 3 months waiting for a writ?
Right, and we've attempted to contact him multiple times.
People don't want to be found, or they want to be found. I'll give you a week. After that, just proceed as if without, you know? Okay.
And she is here. Can I waive her appearance?
Yeah.
Thank you, Jeff.